Okay, guys, look at here. Okay, so look at here. This is my Windows 10 machine. It's a virtual machine, of course, but today I started this virtual machine after a long time. There is something is happened to system. This is a Windows 10. Something internally, some problem is occur. Okay, so there's some start problem. It automatically taking into automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly. Press start button to start your PC. Restart button to start your PC, which you can something fix problem. Means automatically try to repair it. You can also press advanced options to try other options to repair your PC. So either I can choose restart or I can choose advanced options also. Simple restart may will get you a screen, but I want to show you this advanced options because now we have a chance to see. So I'm going to advanced options. So see here it is. Choose an option. Exit and continue with Windows 10 means again the system will start and Windows 10 is try to load. Okay, you can turn off your PC. Not now. We'll do tomorrow or maybe already time's up today. So we'll turn off your PC. You can connect a USB drive, network connection, or a Windows DVD, recovery DVD kind of stuff to repair your system. Okay, so I choose troubleshoot. I choose troubleshoot. Okay, so no backing up, right? So no back button is here. So go to troubleshoot. Okay, so reset your PC or see advanced options. I choose troubleshoot, and I'm getting three options. I'm getting three options: troubleshoot, reset this PC, Microsoft Diagnostic and Recovery Tools set, and advanced options. This is a DAT recovery tools. This is also good one. If you are getting this one, that is also good. Okay, so built-in DAT. Okay, DAT diagnosis and recovery tool set. Reset this PC. Reset this PC. Like you click it, OS will be reinstalled. And if you want to keep your personal files, you can keep it, or you can remove it. But there is a problem. It will take long time to reset entire your PC. Your application settings, everything is gone. Okay, so if in case your system is completely wired working, so you don't know what is happening, you can simply reset it and keep your files. It's safe. The last one is advanced options. The DAT is there, no? So DAT will give you some options like a password recoveries. You want to back up your data, okay? Like some options you will get it, but I'm not going to that one because I don't know whether back button is there or not for this one. I'm going to advanced options. You can see one, two, three, four, five, six options are there. Startup repair. So you start a PC and it is not loading properly. It is taking a lot of time and it is not started properly. Like in our same scenario, system is not started properly. Then go to startup repair. Okay. So that is the first option. Second option is startup settings. You want to change certain things in while it is system is startup. Okay, change Windows startup behavior kind of stuff. You can choose this option. Like you want to load safe mode kind of stuff, a load good configuration kind of stuff. So we'll get that options. Okay, command prompt. You want to do some troubleshooting things with some commands kind of stuff, like you copying a boot mgr file or copy or remove reset certain files from this mode. You can also do it from here. Your system is recently updated. Uninstall updated. Uninstall updates. So for example, your system got updated. After that one only you got a problem. So what is the most possible update is giving you a problem. So you can remove the recent updates. System restoration. System restoration. What is system restoration? So, for example, you install some applications, you do certain settings. Now you are getting a system problem. Okay, after installation of applications and some settings or something you have done changes in your system, now you are getting a problem. You can restore back to the previous restoration point. So either you create a manually, sometimes system will create a restoration point while you are installing some applications or while doing some updates, build updates, kind of stuff. So automatically it creates. You can create it like a weekly once. You can create a system restore if in case you're heavily working your system, anything cause your system problem. Okay, weekly once at least create a system restoration. So what happened with system restoration? After create now system restoration point, whether you are what are the applications you installed, what are the settings you have done, that will be gone. Data won't be recovered, data won't be deleted. Okay, after restoration point. But after restoration point, if you uninstall any applications, that will be recovered. If you uninstall any application, that will be recovered. You install some application, that will be deleted. For example, you updated drivers, the drivers go back to the previous state. So that is a system restoration. UFI firmware settings. UFI firmware settings. Something you want to do with the your BIOS settings. You want to go to the BIOS settings. That is UFI firmware settings. UFI firmware settings. It's okay. It's clean. Sorry, sorry. So here we don't have any choice. So I forget to take a print screen before it is happened. So again, see, choose an option. I choose troubleshoot and advanced options. If I select this one, I can select this one, but whether I can able to go back or not, I don't know. So advanced options, yes, we have a advanced options. Go back button is there, so I can go back and see these things. Okay, so I didn't try that one. So that is an option. So we rarely go to this position. So these are the options: startup repairs, system restoration, uninstall updates, recover from the last update. Kind of means build updates are there. Windows 10 or Windows 11 build updates are there. In case build update is happened, so it the option will show us like a restore previous build operating system instead of install updates. You can see more recovery options. I select it. This is showing only one option: system image recovery. System image recovery. So your system is working now fine. In case your operating system completely corrupted, so you can choose reset if possible. Otherwise, if you have already taken image recovery backup, like how to take image backup, it is. I will show you this. Go to control panel. In control panel, you can see a backup and restore. There you will find this option: system, create a system image. So you have to connect a compulsory external hard disk. External hard disk, you have to connect it. Then you have to choose on hard disk or which location or network location. Of course, in our home network, we don't have a network location kind of. Network means NAS kind of storage is there, then we can do it. We don't have a remote storages, right? So we can store on a hard disk or one or more DVDs. You can store in DVDs or you can store in the hard disk also. What is the use? If in case your hard disk is completely corrupted, hard disk is corrupted. Now you've put a new hard disk and you are already having system image backup. So you can restore your system from system image. You can restore your system from system image directly as it is. You will get it. That is first option. First one is your hard disk is damaged. Okay. The second one is in case of your operating system is completely corrupted, so no recovery, nothing is there. So you want to remove this your operating system and restore this system image to the system. So that is a system image is a copy of a drives required for Windows to run, means your C drive mainly. It also include additional drives. That system image can be used to restore your computer if your hard drive or a computer ever stop working. Means your hard disk or your computer kind of stuff is ever stop working, you can restore your computer from system image. You cannot choose individual items to restore. You cannot restore one file or some files. You cannot restore. You have to restore entire system only. Okay, that is system image backup. So if you want to do that one, that is an option. If you want an option, it is shown. So this is okay. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to Microsoft Diagnostics to last one. We'll see what will happen. It is enter the recovery key to get going with the keyword AES layout. We don't have any recovery key. Identity for your recovery key. How to find your recovery key? We don't have any recovery key. For this one, you have to go to keyboard layout or this computer label, volume label. We didn't know. Skip this drive. Maybe I have a. I think I have a thing is there. So this is a data diagnostic and rec- recovery tool. So there is a one locksmith. If in case you forget your password or you want to unlock any password, you can use locksmith. It's official Microsoft. You don't. It's not from third party tool. Okay, official Microsoft locksmith. There is some you change some registry editor. Now you are getting problem. You can change something in your registry. You can explore your local drives. Okay, see this is your C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. This is my DVD, H drive, Bootex. So for example, in D drive, I have a data. I will copy this data into my external hard disk. For example, I want to give up this PC, but I have a data in it. So what I will do, I will transfer the data into external hard disk. Later I will do repair system files, uninstall hot fixes. Okay, you can configure IP addresses. Solution wizard. You don't know what is a issue, then it will find out what is an issue, how to fix it. Remote connections such as computer management, like you want to manage storages, services, events, something you want to do this, you can get a computer management. Okay, I have a Windows 10 Pro. Okay, this is where is my computer name. Okay, I'm running in. Sorry, so this is my 2 GB RAM, my username. Like how you work with your physical machine means direct machine. So same thing, we will getting this one. Little low graphics. Help wipe means erase the data from the disk. Disk commands like you want to repair volumes, MBR or a partition related. File restoration, recovery, delete files. Okay, file restoration, recover, deleted files, crash analyzer, why it is crashed. Okay, you can do all these things. I will show you locksmith because lot of people forget their local accounts. Then also I will try to show you locksmith. Okay, this is the locksmith. Next, so which account? Administrator or SD user, and so you can see what is the user accounts in your system showing here only. Okay, this is user account and put a password, confirm password, then password will change. You can enable disable the password. So I'm giving a password admin at the rate 123. That is my account SD user one. So yeah, I given a change the password. So now I can able to log in with that password. Okay, actually I forget second password. Now all. So like that you can able to change the password. You can enable the account kind of stuff. So I'm closing this one. Again I go back to the previous choose an option kind of stuff. Troubleshoot. Reset is will take lot of time. Advanced option. I will go to startup repair, or otherwise simply you can go to continue or turn off, and you can turn on it later. Again, you can do that. Restart your computer kind of stuff. I'm going to startup repair. See what will happen in a startup repair. This is will lead it to your BIOS settings. Remember, UEFI firmware setting means you can go to directly BIOS settings. No need to press BIOS key. Directly it will go to BIOS settings. This is startup repair, right? So I'm doing this one. Click. Now it is try to repair. Startup repair. Startup repair could not repair your PC. Press advanced option. Try other options to repair your PC or shut down to turn off your PC. This is a log file. So it is startup repair is not working here. I can shut down the PC. I can go to advanced options also. Troubleshoot. Reset. I don't go to reset. Advanced options. Startup settings. This is startup settings. Enable low resolution mode. Start to change your options. Enable debugging mode, boot mode, safe mode, kind of stuff. So this is will go to your safe mode kind of screen. So we'll see that one. Restart. Click on restart. So we'll see whether we are getting a safe mode or not. Yes. You have to choose which one you want it. Enable debugging mode, or you want to go to safe mode with networking, safe mode with command prompt. Taking print screen, how safe mode is in Windows 10 for that purpose. Okay, F10 for more options. Press enter to return your operating system. So these are a F1 to F9 buttons. Like I want to go with F5, enable safe mode with the networking. F5. So it's a function key and F5. I'll show you how safe mode is there also. Yeah, system is not repairing, no problem. I will install new system. I will create new system, but we'll see the options for different troubleshooting. So you have to go to different places. Okay, we got a login account. Login admin at rate 123. We'll try login. I got these problems because of that recent updates. I think so. Okay, yeah, because I selected networking, safe mode with networking. So network connection is also there. I should expected. Okay, I don't record anything. It is not in full screen mode, so I will put a full screen mode. And why it is a small screen? It is showing very small screen is showing, right? So you can see because it's in a safe mode. It is 800 into 600 resolution, so you won't get full screen. Not like a 1366 into 768 resolution. We won't get it. We'll get a basic resolution only. Why? Because of it's a safe mode. Don't load any graphic drivers. That full-fledged graphic drivers, don't load it. Mostly the background applications don't work. Background application, background process, those kind of stuff won't work. So I'm going to task manager. Okay, just to show you how safe mode is there. Okay, so currently it is up, but it is see up and down in the CPU, RAM utilizations and stuff. Okay, it is utilized maximum minimum, but anti-malware services is running. Okay, that should be stopped, but it's trying to run the desktop means the Windows Defender. The services belongs to Windows Defender. The list of services also basically very less because of course applications also very less inside. Startups, okay, when startups are created. Okay, what sir it is? This is your safe mode. For example, I want to uninstall some application here. Okay, I want to install a drivers here. I can do it from here. I want to delete some files. I can do it in the safe mode. So it is safe mode is a minimal Windows minimal operating system. Safe mode is a minimal operating system, minimal OS type, minimal. Use it for troubleshooting mainly. Okay. So what we can do in the save mode, so we can uninstall an applications, we can delete a files which you are not able to do usually directly in the direct mode. Okay. You can uninstall the updates, uninstall the drivers. Okay. We meaning is a few settings you can do, reset the settings, change the settings. Okay. And so mainly like restore system restoration and safe mode is very important in the BSOD solution also. Okay, and this is working now. Normal way it is not working. Safe mode is working means there is some really a problem which controlling our system. But I will try to go to normal mode. Okay, so normal loading I'm going. So I want to restart my PC. So if it is loading normally or again safe mode, we have to check it. If it is getting safe mode again, then maybe you have to change some options. We'll see. So if you are getting a blank screen with the Windows logo and some running, so it means your hardware wise no problem. Hardware wise no problem. Okay. If it is continuously getting like this, there is an operating system or background updates problem is there. Just you have to wait for 10-15 minutes if you are getting problem on it. Okay. There's not always a problem with the this is the problem, this is a solution kind of stuff is not there. Yeah, I'm getting a screen. Anyway, automatically it is repaired. You need to tell reset your PC. Yeah, change my password. No, no, I don't want to change my password. Admin at the rate 123. I resetted password in there now, so that's what it is asking. Password must be changed before you do it. So I put a password again. Okay. Yeah, password has been changed. Same password only. Okay. So that is that. Okay. So what happened to my system when I start my system? It is unable to start because of some startup problem. So then automatically it is take me to the um, uh, issue chamber like a repairing kind of stuff. It is asking, do you want to restart or do you want to go to advanced option? I choose advanced options, then I choose advanced options there, right? So reset, diagnostics and analysis kind of stuff, and finally advanced options. In advanced options, startup repair, UEFI settings, uninstall updates, system image recovery, command lines, and startup settings also there. Okay. So then we seen that kind of stuff. We came back and we'll choose diagnostic. Also we have seen. and also we'll go back and we are going to um, so safe mode kind of stuff, right? So we went to the safe mode. The safe mode we choose a safe mode with networking. Okay, then we have seen how safe mode is look like, and we restart a computer. Now my computer is working fine. Of course, this virtual machine having only 2 GB RAM, it runs very slowly. Okay, runs very slowly. So see, it is available very less. So compulsory check the background services. Compulsory check the background services applications like this. So we cannot ignore certain services because by default by Microsoft Windows. Go to startups. See, it is one more point is here. So when you feel your system is slow, one very important is startups and services. Check any unnecessary services are running. Some applications are running at the start of your computer only. Okay, so you can stop the service or you can change the service, like a manual or a disable the services. I'm not doing that. I will do it. For example, Bluetooth user service is there. Bluetooth services. I'm not connecting any Bluetooth to this device, but it is still running. I don't require it. I have no knowledge is there. So then we can try. Some are important, some are not required. Okay. This Windows Defender related one. So what is this passport? Don't require it. So then you can change it also. The running one, everything in here is important only. Some are we cannot ignore also. You can see that. Okay. See, every time we are getting updates. So you don't like updates currently. Make sure you have done updates, running updates completed. Then you can change it to disable and stop that. I'm not doing anything. Okay. This is service management. If you don't want particular service, okay, you can change it to manual or disable. The service is in automatic mode. This is automatic series. Service is in automatic. Startup type is automatic. When you start your PC, this particular service will start automatically. Okay. If service startup is automatic, this service will start automatically. Okay. If it is a manual one, so it's a manual. The services won't start automatically, but either it is start by manual or by some opening of application or time triggers, it opens automatically. So this is manual, but it is trigger type. Means some related application or linked services or by time triggering kind of stuff happen. It runs automatically, even though it is in a manual one. If any service is in disable mode, see, this is a disable mode of services. Can you see it is a disable? Meaning is the service never start. Either you cannot start manually, means directly can start also, and nothing will start these services. It is disabled, means it never start. This is the service management. Okay, find out any applications running in your system and it start at the system start. So we can manage from here. And very important is very easy one and very important, very easy one is the startups. These startups, see, this is phone link is disabled, Skype is disabled, Cortana is disabled. Okay, that is a good thing. That is a good thing. Why good thing? See, these services, disabled services, don't start immediately after system starts. Okay, but these are the services. See, it running even In this particular machine, I'm not using OneDrive. So when I start my computer, OneDrive related thing is not required to run. I will run it manually later. Later. Okay, when I want it, I will open it. Otherwise, not required to open. Okay, right? See, there is a gate. There is a gate. If you are required, I will open the gate. Otherwise, let it close. No problem. Okay. Not every time like morning will happen, door opens automatically. Not good, right? So what we can do? These startup enabled startups will start when your system is started. So better to disable them like this. Okay. How to do it? So right click, disable. This is also not required. You can disable it. So these startups don't start at system start. So what happens? So automatically your system is not started these services. So startup speed increases. Starting of system is increases. Second one is your system runs not very slowly. So little this background services not running, system runs better way. This is another solution. So point is I want to show that advanced options kind of stuff, but also in a system repairing, this is also very important. Maintenance, slow system kind of stuff. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So if you restart this computer, okay, restart this computer, then those I disable those startups won't start. Okay. So this is one point. So 2 points are completed. One is how to repair your system. Another one is how to maintain your system, startups and services. Third important guys, I'm trying to say is go to settings, go to updates and security. Let it open. So go to update and security. Do it either in everyday morning or before you sleep. This is good for people who are using Windows 10, mainly Windows 10. Okay. Yeah. So my system is not supporting for 11. You can go to health check. Let it check for updates. Okay. So any updates are available. Install that updates. Install that updates. Now every day you have work. These updates are disturbance. You can pause update for 7 days. You can pause updates for 7 days. I need a paintbrush, but paint is not showing here. That is paint 3D. This is photo. Okay. So I will search paint. Let it go in. Let it the updates thing is going on. Okay. Remember in updates point. Point number one. Check for update. Any update is available. Complete that update. So and it will ask for restart. Close all applications. Save data. Restart it. Second one is you done updates. You done updates. Okay. You can pause updates. Like every day, these updates are the disturbance. Then we can do weekly update, pause update for 7 days. This is great. Or you don't want updates. This is a virtual machine. I don't want any updates. Lot of bandwidth, lot of internet speed. It is consuming, and every time it is become big disturbance. So what I will do it, I will go to services directly. Services window. I'll go to services. In the services, there is a service called a Windows Update. So when you and then I will open it. There is a startup type. I'll change to disable. Startup type is disabled. Then okay, apply okay kind of stuff. Okay. So what happened? These Windows updates never runs, never run automatically. So no need of bandwidth consumptions, no need of updating, waiting for update, complete, restart, are not required. But one thing is important. First, immediately check for update, install the updates. Once installation of updates are completed, make sure no update is available. Then you have to do this step. Okay, or this step or this step means for you updates are important, not currently. Then you can pause it. And for you updates are not at all important, or maybe you will see later. Then you can choose this option. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, still it is running. Okay, so it will try to find an updates. Once it is find an update, it will install. But I'm leaving this machine for tomorrow. And also you can choose this active hours means morning time you are busy with your work. Then you can change like only evening time or particular this time to this time. Accept updates. Advanced options also there. So it is advanced options. So you can pause an updates for certain time or only important updates only through in Wi-Fi connection. Like that also you can choose. Pause updates. You can choose the date also. Like I want to pause update for up to Saturday. Like I will put it. Delivery optimization. Update notifications. Show notify when your PC required to restart to finish updating. Okay, these options are there. Update option. Receive update for other Microsoft product when your Windows update. Download update or metered connection. Metered means like you are using 4G. That is a metered connection. If you are using a Wi-Fi, it is not metered connection. Like a data cost per MB data cost is there. That is metered. Okay, no cost. Like it is a full scale bandwidth, unlimited connection, unlimited. Then it is not metered. Limited means 10 GB completed like that. 1 MB 2 rupees. Okay. So restart this PC as soon as possible when restart is required to install Windows 10. Means actually after the update, you have to restart your PC. Off means it won't restart automatically. You have to restart. Turn on, it restart automatically. So, so read all the settings and select on or off based on your requirement. I'm not sure. Guys, this is a recovery option. Let it go on. This is a recovery option. See, this is a reset this PC advanced data. If you want that screen means the advanced option scheme and reset this PC also option I showed, right? So if you want to go to that one, you can choose these options. Okay, this is for resetting. This is for advanced startup. You want to go to advanced startup, select this restart now. Okay, so I will just minimizing the screen. From this advanced startup also, you can go directly to that screen. Your system is working, but there is you want to go to BIOS setting or you want to change something in the uninstallation of update or you want to go to uh, safe mode or you want to go to do some troubleshooting like a system image kind of stuff, restoration kind of stuff. You can go to advanced startup from here also. Very simple. Go to settings, update and security, click on recovery. Of course, there is so many are there, but I'm trying to show you this one. So update, still checking. Let it sit, no problem. That's it. That's the point I trying to say.